Hello, welcome to Content Manager online training for the College of Arts and Sciences Standard Sites. In this video, you will learn about web page URLs, properly creating them, and how to add pages into the site menus. First, we need to locate our page. To do this, log into the site, open the menu, and select Administration. Note that when you select one of the primary menu items, it jumps to the bottom of the list and then displays its secondary navigation. Select Content. By default, the content list is sorted by last time accessed. However, you can sort by title, type of content, last update date, or language by selecting the column name. In addition, from this list, you can go to the page to either view it or edit it, or you can delete it. One difference in editing from this list is that when you save the page, it will return you to this list instead of offering you an opportunity to view and check the page. If you go to delete a page, you will be asked once if you are sure. After that, the page is gone for good, so be careful. You may sort the list content based on its type, or you can choose to view only a particular type of content by filtering it. You will then be able to further sort it using its name or last update date within the list of like types. The content will stay filtered until you select Reset. Use the content list page to find the page to be edited and go to that page. This page is a new page that was created but now needs to be associated with a specific section of the site. The intent for this page is to be part of the edit section, but note that we cannot identify which section it belongs to by its URL or within the breadcrumbs. It has no menu, and when in the edit section, it is not on the menu. So to correct all of these issues, we must first decide where this page should be located. It is about creating and editing a new page, so it should be part of the Edit and Update Pages section. It is about adding media to the website, and in particular, adding images. So the parent of the new page is the Adding Images page. In turn, the parent of that page is Adding Media, and the parent of Adding Media is the Edit and Update Pages section. So we need to name this page to reflect all its parents with a user-friendly and structurally consistent URL. By default, Drupal names the web pages by numbers. You can see these numbers when you go into the edit mode of the page. Since this number means absolutely nothing to our readers, our web programmers have programmed the website to create the URL based on the name of the page. But this still does not reflect the page's parents and location within the website. To do this, when in the edit mode of the page, scroll down to the bottom and locate URL Path Settings. Uncheck the checkbox for Generate Automatic Alias. In the URL alias field, type in an appropriate relative path. Remember that in addition to naming your page to associate them with a particular section and parent, the page URL needs to be representative of the title and content of the page, and also it needs to be shortened to be a reasonable length to type. Keep the page name in lowercase letters. Separate the words with hyphens and not spaces or underscores to avoid complications with linking to and finding the page with search engines. Now that we have an understanding of child and parent pages, it is easier to see how our menus work as well. The main menu is a consistent menu that appears on all the web pages. They are the major divisions of information on the website. Our main menus appear horizontally across the top of each page, though on other websites it will sometimes appear vertically along one side or the other. Wherever it is located, it links to the major divisions of information on the website. Then for each of the main menu links, there may be an associated secondary navigation. These are links that only pertain to that particular section and only appear when you are visiting a page within that section. To add your page to the menu, go into Edit mode and again scroll down and check the checkbox to provide a menu link. This will allow other fields to appear. Type the desired link text in the menu link title field. This text will appear on the menu for the reader to select. It does not need to be the title of the linked page, but should be reminiscent of the title for the reader to believe that they have reached the correct page after selecting the link. Type the alternative text into the description field. Be succinct and specific, making sure your reader will know why they want this link and where it will take them once selected. This alternative text will also be seen when a reader hovers over the link in the menu. Finally, select the page's parent from the drop-down box. By selecting the correct parent from this box, you ensure that the correct menu appears on the page, that this page appears correctly on the menu, and that the correct breadcrumb links appear at the top of the page. When looking at items in this drop box, you can identify menu titles because they are held between the lesser than and greater than brackets. Menu items appear with a single dash preceding them, and children are indented under them with longer dashes. Find the correct parent and select it. The weight of the page determines the order in which pages appear under a particular parent. However, this field is only here to be compatible with older versions of Drupal. There is a much easier way to order your pages, which we will cover in the next lesson. Be sure to save the page to apply your updates. You can see that the correct menu now appears on the page and the page is in the correctly highlighted section. In addition, it is now on the menu and in the breadcrumbs. You now know how to find a page within your website, name it correctly, and add it to a menu. In the next lesson, you will learn how to further manipulate menu items and also how to edit components on the home page.